Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Open Lens and confirm it's the latest version because updates fix many bugs. Next, restart your phone and the camera app to clear transient errors. This forces services to reload. Then, inspect permissions, camera, storage, location, and re-enable any turned off. Without them, Lens can't capture or process images. Once done, make sure battery saver and data restrictions are off, since they throttle background processing and network connections needed for recognition. Now you move into detailed fixes. Clear cache and app data for Google Play services, and the Lens component to remove corrupted state. This resets recognition models locally. Then, test networking, toggle Wi-Fi and mobile data, and disable VPN or proxies because poor connections block cloud-based analysis. If problems persist, try a different camera app or boot into safe mode to rule out third-party overlays and permissions managers. This helps you identify whether another app is interfering with Lens functionality. Finish by reinstalling or updating the Google app and Lens component. Sometimes a clean install restores missing modules. If that fails, reset camera settings or update your phone's firmware, because hardware drivers and OS patches affect image capture and analysis. Always backup data first. If you still see failures, gather diagnostics, device model, OS build, app versions, and recreate the bug while capturing logs so support can reproduce it. One key tip: test on another device to confirm whether the issue is device-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.